So there's good news if you like yogurt. The FDA is soon going to allow yogurt companies to start making qualified health claims for diabetes. So you're probably soon going to start seeing these claims showing up. Eating yogurt regularly may reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. The FDA has concluded there is limited information supporting this claim. You may also see this other claim as well. Eating yogurt regularly may reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, according to limited scientific evidence. So the important word in those statements is regularly. What does regularly eating yogurt really mean? Well, we're looking at 2 cups or 3 servings of yogurt per week, and that is the minimum amount. Also, by limited evidence, they're saying, yes, there is some evidence that yogurt might help prevent diabetes in the future. However, many of these studies are interesting, but they're not perfect. And the FDA is also saying that even though there's some evidence now, if newer evidence comes in the future which shows otherwise, these health claims will go away. Now, before you run out to the store and start buying yogurt in hopes that it's going to prevent diabetes, there are a few things you need to know. Number one is that the yogurt also has to have at least 10% of the daily value for vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, calcium, protein, and fiber. And ironically, even yogurts that are high in added sugars may also have this anti-diabetes health claim as well. So how do you know if the yogurt is high in added sugars? It's simple. Just turn the yogurt around and look at the nutrition facts label. If you see 20% or more next to added sugars, it means it's high in added sugars. So while, yeah, there is some research suggesting that yogurt may reduce the risk of diabetes in the future, I don't think we should put all our eggs in the yogurt basket. The real way to prevent type 2 diabetes from occurring is not gain too much weight and get some more physical activity, which you probably already know is really important.